Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through my nighttime skincare routine, starting with how I remove my full glam makeup and the products I use every night, plus my weekly retinal routine with the beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum. I'll walk you through step by step, explain why I use each product and share my thoughts and results. Let's begin with makeup removal. Whether I'm wearing full glam everyday makeup or no makeup at all, I always reach for a cleansing oil. I just finished my Medi-Peel Red Lacto Collagen Cleansing Oil, which I absolutely love. It's honestly the best one I've tried so far. Right now I'm using the Skin 1000 for Madagascar Centella Light Cleansing Oil. It works, but it doesn't remove heavy makeup quite as easily as the Medi-Peel one. I use two pumps, massage it into my skin in circular motions, and start with my face and neck before moving on to the eyes and brows. Around the eyes you really need to be gentle, otherwise lashes and brows can fall out. After everything melts down, I rinse with warm water. As you can see, the Skin 1004 one wasn't as effective for my heavy glam, so I went back to squeezing the last drops of the Medi-Peel one. It removes even the most long-lasting makeup so well. Next, I always double cleanse. I follow with the Medi-Peel Red Lacto Collagen Clear Cleanser, which is huge and lasted me an entire year. It cleanses thoroughly but feels gentle on the skin. If I've applied makeup in the waterline, I'll also go in with a micellar water between my lashes, then rinse again with just water. Now let's move into my everyday nighttime skincare routine. On clean skin, I start with Avent thermal water. I can't live without thermal water, it's amazing for sensitive skin, really calming and acts like a toner. On damp skin, I follow with the 001 London Alpha Glow Flush Facial Serum Primer and Mask. I've shown this serum before in another video, so check the description if you haven't seen that. It's a 3-in-1 product, but I prefer using it just as a serum in my evening routine every other night. It contains 9 powerhouse actives that targets dehydration, pores, wrinkles and dullness. I've noticed it makes my pores less visible, hydrates well and gives me more luminous skin by morning. For eyes, I'm currently using the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. It hydrates well, has great ingredients and also works beautifully under makeup if you use it in the morning. I even apply a little on my lips because that area also has very thin skin and needs hydration. As my last step, I lock everything in with the Isn't3 Hyaluronic Acid Moist Cream. It's nourishing and packed with 5 types of hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. They also have a lighter gel version, which I like in the summer when my combination skin gets more oily. In the colder months, I prefer this richer one. And of course, I don't forget my hair. I like applying a bit of oil on the ends. Here I'm using the Olaplex one, but honestly it's not my favorite. Now let's talk about my weekly retinal routine. Once a week in the evening I use the Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum. Even though it's marketed as an eye serum, you can use it all over the face and that's what I've been doing. This was my first retinal product, so I wanted something gentle. Retinal is an anti-aging superstar. It helps with fine lines, elasticity and overall skin texture. Here is how I apply it. On clean skin I spray thermal water, then a light layer of hydrating cream. After about 5 minutes I apply the Revive serum all over my face, including under eyes and a little on the brow bone, but I'm careful not to get into my eyes. I avoid my neck because it tends to get irritated there. After another 5-10 minutes, I seal everything with another layer of cream, pressing it gently into my skin. I tried using this serum more often, but once a week it's perfect for me. It's gentle but really effective. After using it, my skin feels soft like baby skin, more elastic, luminous, and it has even helped fade some spots and reduce breakouts. And of course, the next morning I always make sure to use a good hydrating cream and most importantly SPF, especially when using active ingredients like retinol the night before. And that's my current nighttime and weekly retinal skincare routine, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share your favorite skincare products in the comments below. See you next time, bye bye!